Installation of Jupyter Notebook, we have a multiple option is available. You can choose anything. So like we have a Anaconda. Let me just change the color. Yeah, we have a Anaconda. We have a Miniconda. Okay, so multiple option is there. So even you can directly install the Jupyter Notebook via the command prompt as well. But we will choose the Anaconda. Okay, because Anaconda is giving the three options for a data science, which is really useful for us. So you will find it out a Jupyter Notebook first. Okay, you'll find a Jupyter Notebook and you also find it out the Spyder, which is very helpful for data science. Even in Anaconda is a predefined the mini libraries, so which you don't need to install it like a pandas, numpy, matplotlib. This libraries is pre-installed. You don't need to install it separately. So many option is there, so you can use it. So we'll install here the Anaconda, and after that we start the installation of Spyder and Jupyter Notebook. So let's do that. So you can directly go to the official website Anaconda. Just go there. You'll find it out the free download option. Just click on download. That's it. Your downloading process will start when you just check it. Let me just cancel it this. My downloading is already on, I put on a run. So it will taking a max to max 1 minute to complete it. And after that, I'll start the installation. It's complete 1 GB file. That's why it's taking a time. So let them download first. Okay. The steps of the installing the Anaconda is not very difficult. We can just click yes, 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 just next, 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 and finish it. It's very simple. So let's do it, and it's totally depend on your PC configuration, how much time it will taking to install after downloading. So yeah, downloading process is completed, I think. So I can also check it in a download. No, it's still downloading. I think it's taking, now it's downloaded. So you can go there. It's showing the this icon. Double click on it. It's very simple. Just double click on it. Okay. So it's verifying and just click next. I agree. Just me. Next. You don't need to change anything. Just next. Install. You can just add the Anaconda 3 in your environment. If you're not adding, it's not creating any problem. Just click install. That's it. So it's totally depend on your PC configuration. If your PC configuration is very high, it's not taking much time. Like if your computer have just 4 GB RAM or 6 GB RAM, then it's taking a longer time. It may be till 20 minutes. So and if your configuration is 16 GB, so it will take 4 to 5 minutes to complete the installation. So for me is a 16 GB RAM. So let's see, it will take max to max 4 to 5 minutes. We'll wait for that. Now it's completed, I think. Just click next. So you can see here the Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook logo is mentioned there. Just finish it. Okay, it's giving the for registration for free and so many options. Don't do anything. Just close now. Back. Click on Windows. And all app, whatever which one you are using, Windows 10, Windows 11. You'll find it out the Anaconda 3 folder. So where we have a Anaconda navigator, where in case if any Jupyter notebook or a Spyder, anything is not working properly, go to the Anaconda navigator that work like a setting and you can use it. So Anaconda prompt is a kind of command prompt. Okay. So I think it start opening the Anaconda navigator. Even I'll show you as well. So in this Anaconda prompt, you can install any libraries with pip or Conda environment. So this is like a prompt which we have a local machine as well. So this Anaconda is a provided their own prompt. Okay, so this one is a navigator. Let me just close it. This one, yeah, navigator. The so many option is showing in case if anything is not working, you can launch it from here, like PyCharm or yeah, PyCharm Professional, RStudio. So many option they are showing, but you don't need to do anything. This one. Let me just close it. Okay, back to that folder again. Anaconda 3, yes. So you'll find it out a Jupyter notebook and a Spyder. You can just open on it. So for Jupyter notebook, you can open from here or else you can directly search Jupyter notebook. Okay, we'll search Jupyter notebook in this location. So automatically the Jupyter notebook is opening on the default location, which is it's showing the prompt here. It will open the Jupyter notebook in this location. C drive, you can see the serving notebook from the local directory C user, your PC name. All right, so you can check it. So where it is store opening? So always opening in this location. So my Jupyter notebook is open here. You can just directly click on new Python 3 and start writing the code is here. Sometime your Jupyter notebook is opening on Chrome or sometime opening on a Internet Explorer. So which one is your default web browser? Okay, so you can write here print hello world. Let me just type it here, hello world, and click on run. You'll get the answer here. So now Jupyter notebook is properly installed. Okay.